All right, now here we have it. I've got the oil lamp going and the little pot sitting on top. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're continuing on here. We're at 10 minutes now. We're kind of just waiting on that. I was never expecting this thing to boil up a pot of water in 5 minutes like a gas camp stove or whatever. This is a little slow. But I'm thinking that they weren't planning on having this thing be your primary cooking implement. But it could be, with patience. I mean, the water's already very warm. It's just not boiling hot. It may not get that hot. Actually, it's warm enough for tea right now, which is nice. I'm going to wait another 5 minutes and see if it gets up a little hotter. And then we'll see. We'll have ourselves a cup of tea. Well, it appears it is now warm enough for tea. Yeah. I would say this is a good idea for if you're taking a hike or you're at camp and you want some hot cocoa and you're going to have the light on anyway. It's useful. I'm going to try in a few minutes to maybe see if I can get one of these inexpensive frying pans that I've had this thing for years. As you can tell, it's been through a few things. I think we've all had these. Well, I'm going to see if that'll sit on there, and if it sits on there, I'm going to see if I can put something on there to fry. But first, I'm going to have a cup of tea. Well, it's done. Well, it's as done as it's going to be. Taking it off of here. The little pot that comes with it gets a little warm in the handle. And that's my tea, a little bit of milk and sugar. Yeah, I know. Some people might have comment on that. Pete. Ooh, that's quite warm. We're going to wait on that. I can tell you without question that this does heat up this little pot that it's designed for quite well. Now, technically, it's designed for a double boiler because it has a second pot. Let's have a look. It has this one here. What is it for, you ask? I haven't a clue. But it fits on that too. So I guess maybe you can have your tea in one and then some... I really don't know what it's for. But I'm sure I'll find a use for it. Yeah. It's for getting the bottom of it dirty with tea. That's it. Okay. Well, anyway, this is the DIETZ 2000 or 2000 Millennium Lantern. And it works. It does warm up a little cup of tea quite nicely. It's too warm to drink right now and actually getting warmer because I left it on top of it. And I will tell you, I love the idea of this stabilizer. Even without with anything else, I think they should provide these with every DIETZ lantern they sell. Because this makes it harder to tip over the lantern. Because we don't want it to be a hot time in the old town tonight. Anyway, please feel free to subscribe, to like and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. Just head on over to woodlandsurvival.com, both on the web and on Facebook. And on Facebook, you can participate in the conversation. And I hope you enjoy. Anyway, go out and get one of these. This is the Ridge Runner signing off. Oh, I'm sorry to tell you, I didn't tell you how much I paid for it. As of this video, I found it for $16.95 on Amazon. I'm sure that price might change. But I bet you can find the deals on that. So, anyway, this is Ridge Runner signing off.